Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about some of the special variable called underscore name in the Python. So Python has many special variables and methods. So these are comes with the double underscore, either the variable or method. So here you can see these are the double underscore is there, and with that these special method comes in the picture. Now here we are going to discuss about the underscore name. What is the use of that one? So if you have worked or seen the other applications like Java, C# and other C++, so everywhere we have the main method, means that is the point of execution of every application. In the Python is basically indicate whether a Python script is being run on its own or imported as a module. What is the meaning of that? So let's first print what I'm going to do. Let me print underscore main. So here what I'm going to do, name. So this I'm going to write. Now when I will run this, you will see when I will run this, here it is coming, this is the main method. Same thing when I try to do in the mod also, and when I will run, here also it is saying the name. And for more clarification, I'm saying like this is my module and this is practice module. So when I will run from here, it is saying practice main, and when I will run from here, it will say my module main. Means what is the definition of the name? Is basically it indicate whether a Python script is being run on its own, means from the same class or same file, or it is imported as a module. So when I click on this, means here you are seeing run my module. So when I'm running it, it is saying it is running from this, so that's why it is a main. What if I try to, here what I try, I just import. So import my module. When I will import here, when I will run this, you are seeing two things. My module is giving my module and practice is giving the main method. Means when I'm running from here, you can see run practice. When we are running from here, so for this one, it will say the main method, and this my module is basically we are not running from there, but we have written the name. So it is give the basically module name or the file name. Similar way, when I will run from here, let me import practice. When I will run here, so what will happen? For my module it will give main, and for practice it will give the practice, means that file name. So same thing you can see, since it is running, means it is calling. Here also I have imported, that's why it is reading that also. So this way it is doing. Now when we use it, so for an example, you have a couple of the conditions. Okay, so what I will do, let me get rid of from here and let me rerun it again. And here what I want, let me put if this name is equal to what I will say, main, then only print hello or some logic. So what I want like this logic, or it should print only the case when I have like name equal to main. Otherwise no need to print this one. So when I will run this, we can see it is printing hello because I'm running from here. But when I will run from here, it is not printing hello. So in such kind of the scenario, what we do, we use the main method, means this name basically we do here. So that's the thing, we are using this name special variable. So that is the use of this name special variable. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.